Yes, welcome to all. Today we are going to see SN1 and SN2. SN1 and SN2 mechanism. Mechanisms of reaction. First of all, I am going to tell what is meant by mechanism. What is meant by mechanism? Mechanism is a step-by-step description of reaction. Description of reactions. एखादी रिॲक्शन्स स्टेप बाय स्टेप ही कशी होती हे म्हणजेच मेकॅनिझम. हाऊ द रिॲक्शन्स कॅन टेक step by step progress or growth, that's called as an mechanism. So today we are first going to take SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. So what is mean by SN2 mechanism? What are examples? Which points we have to see in this mechanism that we are going to discuss. First of all, SN2 mechanism मध्ये आपण examples SN2 चा long form त्याच्यानंतर RDS mechanism stereochemistry हे points पाहणार आहोत. तर S, what's means by S? S stands for substitution. Substitution means replacement. We are calling replace, that is old is replaced by new, जुनं घ्या नवीन द्या असं काही सबस्टिट्यूशन रिप्लेसमेंट. एस मीन्स सबस्टिट्यूशन्स. तर मी तुम्हाला एक एक्झाम्पल्स म्हणून सांगितले. ऍक्च्युली तर रिॲक्शन्स मध्ये कसं होईल, वन ग्रुप्सच्या ऐवजी दुसरा ग्रुप येईल आणि त्या दुसऱ्या ग्रुपवर पहिला ग्रुप जाईल. दॅट इज अ सबस्टिट्यूशन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड प्लस ॲक्वियस KOH ही जी आपण रिॲक्शन्स पाहिली ती सबस्टिट्यूशनची होती. मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड किंवा इथाइल ब्रोमाइड प्लस अमोनिया, इथं काय होत होतं, ब्रोमाइड ग्रुप जाऊन NH2 ग्रुप येत होता, हे सबस्टिट्यूशन होतं. किंवा इथाइल क्लोराइड प्लस तुम्ही RONA, हे जे रिॲक्शन्स आपण 7 रिॲक्शन्स पाहिले मध्यंतरी, these all are the substitution. So see here, substitution means replacement. N means nucleophilic. Nucleophilic means what? Negative charge. Nucleo means nuclear, phile means loving or attracting. Nucleus ला attracting करणारे. Nucleus is always positively charged आणि त्याला attract करणारे कसे असतील? Negative. So nucleophilic means negative charge. Nucleophile means negative charge वाले. That they are negative charge. 2 means bimolecular. 2 means bimolecular. Bi means 2. Molecular means molecule. Bi means 2. Molecular means molecules. These are substitution, nucleophilic, bimolecular reactions. तर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ह्याचं आपण आज एक्झाम्पल्स पाहणार आहोत. Any primary halides, any primary halide is reacted with aqueous KOH or NaOH. KOH or NaOH is called. This is the examples of SN2 reactions. SN2 चा example जो आहे, any primary halide is reacted with aqueous KOH or NaOH. Here nucleophile is a OH minus is important. There is a no importance for the K or Na. Nucleophile कोण? OH minus. Any primary halide, that is RX कसा पाहिजे तो primary पाहिजे, plus KOH, it will give here nucleophile म्हणजे negative charge. Here nucleophile negative charge. ह्या दोघांची रिप्लेसमेंट होईल. ह्या दोघांची रिप्लेसमेंट म्हणजेच काय, ROH प्लस KX बाहेर पडेल. आता आपण एखादं एक्झाम्पल्स घेऊया. तर पहा ह्याचं एक्झाम्पल्स कोणतं येईल. CH3Br. तुम्ही इथाइल ब्रोमाइड सुद्धा घेऊ शकता, इथाइल क्लोराइड घेऊ शकता, इथाइल आयोडाइड घेऊ शकता, मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड, मिथाइल क्लोराइड, मिथाइल आयोडाइड, anything, but you have to take on only primary, not secondary or not tertiary. तर जो प्रायमरी हॅलाइड्स असतो तो SN2 रिॲक्शन दाखवतो आणि प्रायमरी हॅलाइड्स विल शो SN2 रिॲक्शन. तर इथं तुम्ही मिथाइल ब्रोमाइड, मिथाइल क्लोराइड, मिथाइल आयोडाइड घेऊ शकता, इथाइल ब्रोमाइड किंवा N प्रोपाइल क्लोराइड, N प्रोपाइल आयोडाइड असं काही सुद्धा घेऊ शकता. प्लस ॲक्वियस KOH किंवा NaOH सुद्धा घेऊ शकता, NaOH or KOH. It is not important for the K or Na. It is important for the nucleophile. OH minus is a more important. Yeah, see here. Here aqueous is a main important because you have to take on alcoholic. Then there is a not substitution. It is elimination reaction. इथं aqueous NaOH घ्यायचं खूप महत्वाचं आहे. कारण जर तुम्ही अल्कोहोलिक घेतलात तर तुमची रिॲक्शन्स ही इलिमिनेशन्स रिॲक्शन्स होईल. अल्फा बीटा एलिमिनेशन्स रिॲक्शन जे आपण 11th मध्ये पाहिलंय. लेट इट बी ओनली द मेन पार्ट इज अ aqueous घ्यायचा आहे. तर बघा न्यूक्लिओफाइल मीन्स निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. न्यूक्लिओफाइल मीन्स निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. न्यूक्लिओफाइल मीन्स न्यूक्लियस लविंग पार्ट. न्यूक्लियस इज ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज. मग न्यूक्लियसवर लविंग करणारे कोण असतात? निगेटिव्ह. म्हणून मी तुम्हाला एवढंच सांगू इच्छिते दॅट इज आय वुड लाईक टू टेल यू दॅट इज न्यूक्लिओफाइल मीन्स निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. न्यूक्लिओफाइल मीन्स निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. तर आता इथं काय येईल? OH मायनस इज अ न्यूक्लिओफाइल. In first part, Br minus is a nucleophile. Substitution means replacement. Replace करा. मग राहिलं काय? CH3OH plus ह्या OH Br च्या जागी Br come to in the place of OH, that is NaBr will be gone. This is what, that is you have to heat it. This is methyl alcohol. This is the examples. Only example is not important. There are so many questions in this part. Always it is asked for 4 marks in any board exam. The board exam papers will not be formed without SN2 or SN1. At least 1 to 2 marks is compulsory on this part. Okay. This is the examples. Next, the what are the next? That is why it is called as a bimolecular reaction. See here, it is called as a bimolecular reaction. So see here, bimolecular means these both, that is methyl bromide and this sodium hydroxide, both they take part in the rate of reactions or in the mechanism. Both these molecules, methyl bromide and the sodium hydroxide, both molecules, two molecules can take part in the reaction. So it is a bimolecular reaction. Now see here how the reactions will be proceed, because today we are going to see mechanism. The reactions कशी proceed होते हे पाहण्यासाठी एकतर बघा याच्यामध्ये 3 रूट असतील. पहिला रूट असा असेल की हा इथं कोण मेन इम्पॉर्टंट आहे? हु इज मेन इम्पॉर्टंट? OH मायनस घेऊयात आपण. OH मायनस प्लस ह्या CH3Br. ह्या Br निघून जायच्या आधीच हा OH मायनस इथे अटॅक होईल आणि मग तुम्हाला काय मिळेल? CH3OH प्लस Br मायनस, दॅट इज NaBr मायनस. हा असा दिस कंपाऊंड विल बी फॉर्म. और सेकंड रूट म्हणजे मेकॅनिझम कोणत्या रूटनी हा प्रोडक्ट तयार होतो हे आपल्याला पाहायचंय. तर बघा सेकंड जो आहे तो एक असा सांगता येईल CH3Br, that Br minus will be gone. Then what will become? CH3 positive charge. Positive charge means electrophile. Then after that OH minus will be come out and then they will reacted with CH3OH. This is the second part. What's the third part? See here, what is the third part? That is CH3Br plus OH minus. The third part is slowly this Br minus will gone and at the same time slowly this OH will be come and this is slowly gone and this slowly will be, they will be formed. Out of these three, by which part the reactions mechanism is take place? Whenever, see here, this OH minus is firstly attacked. 1 minute. Br and CH3. Before going to break this Br and CH3 bond, OH minus is attacked. Here, valence of carbon 1, 2 plus 3, that is 5. So this route is a wrong. OH मायनस तुटायच्या आधीच Br मायनसचा अटॅक होतो. इथं कार्बनची व्हॅलन्सी जी असते ती रॉंग होते. त्यामुळे हा रूट जो आहे तो रॉंग आहे. त्याच्यानंतर थिंक अबाउट दिस. आता मी तुम्हाला काय सांगितलेलं आहे? That is in this reactions mechanism both molecules will be takes part. Both molecules will be take part. So it is a bimolecular reaction. पण जर ह्याचा विचार केला तर इथं तुम्हाला CH3 प्लस हा सिंगल दिसतो आणि इथं पण OH मायनस सिंगल दिसतो. both molecules take part असं ह्या रूट नुसार प्रूव्ह होत नाही. सो इट इज ऑल्सो रॉंग. Br मायनस पहिला गॉन होणार, मीन्स Br मायनस आपण इथे लिहून घेऊयात वाटल्यास. मग राहिला सिंगल कोण CH3 प्लस, नंतर OH मायनसचा अटॅक होईल. तर आणि ही रिॲक्शन्स आपण कशी म्हणतो, इट इज बायमॉलिक्युलर रिॲक्शन्स. Bimolecular reactions means both molecules take part in the reaction. But see here, it is also single, it is also single. So this root is also gone. Okay, the next root is what? That is C. Yes, the reactions mechanism is takes place by in this way. Because this bond is partially broken down and this bond is partially forming what our aim, that is formations of methyl alcohol, formations of methyl alcohol. But how it is formed? Partially this bond is broken and partially this bond will be formed. See here, both molecules, that is CH3Br also and OH also, both molecules can come in the reactions. Both molecules can come in the reaction. So it is bimolecular reaction. So it is bimolecular reactions, and this is a third that is root C is a correct. For exam you have to direct write from this step to this step, that is reactions mechanism takes place in this way. Okay, see here. Now the next point, the rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentrations. This is represented by concentration. Square bracket means concentration. Square bracket means concentration. Rate of reaction depend upon concentration of both, that is methyl bromide also and NaOH. NaOH च्या ऐवजी फक्त OH मायनस घेतला तरी चालेल, NaOH, कारण महत्व त्यालाच आहे, because importance is to that. Okay, see here, CH3Br and concentration of OH minus, both molecules take part in the reactions. Rate of reactions is directly proportional to concentrations of methyl bromide and concentrations of OH minus. Therefore, we have to write rate is equal to K into concentrations of CH3Br into concentrations of OH. Square bracket means concentration. Square bracket means concentration. Therefore, आता इथं ऑर्डर करायची. मग ज्या वेळेस एखाद्या रिॲक्शन्स मध्ये दोन मॉलिक्युल्स असतात त्याला बायमॉलिक्युलर म्हणायचं. आणि इथं रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन्स ऑर्डर काढायची आहे आपल्याला. ऑर्डर म्हणजे रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन्स पाहायचं. सी हिअर थोडासा पार्ट नवीन आहे, थोडस कन्फ्युजन होईल. इथं रेट बघायचं, ह्याच्या किती, ह्याचं एक कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, ह्याचं किती कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन, दिस वन, that is total is equal to 2. Rate of reaction is depend upon concentrations of methyl bromide, concentrations of OH, means it becomes how many, it becomes 2. So it is second order reactions. It is which order reaction? It is a second order reactions. It is a second order reactions because the rate of reactions depends upon the concentrations of methyl bromide and concentration of OH. So SN2 reaction is a second order reactions. लक्षात ठेवा, सेकंड ऑर्डर इज अ डिफरंट. रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन्स ह्या दोघांवर डिपेंड राहते म्हणून ही सेकंड ऑर्डर. आणि बायमॉलिक्युलर का लिहिलं, कारण ह्यामध्ये दोन मॉलिक्युल्स टेक पार्ट करतात म्हणून ही बायमॉलिक्युलर आहे. इट इज अ सेकंड ऑर्डर रिॲक्शन्स अँड इट इज अ bimolecular reactions. Okay, next part. See here, once again I take the review, that is mechanism is a step-by-step descriptions of reaction as substitution and nucleophilic to bimolecular. Any primary halide is reacted with aqueous KOH or hydrolysis. Additions of OH minus or H plus is also called as a hydrolysis. Hydrolysis of any primary halide. Me examples methyl bromide प्लस NaOH घेतले, मिथाइल अल्कोहोल NaBr will become. तर रूट ABC मांडले. तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी तुम्ही डायरेक्ट एक्झाम मध्ये हे पार्ट लिहू शकता. CH3Br OH minus, it will be formed CH3OH Br CH3OH. Rate is directly proportional to concentrations of CH3Br and OH minus. So it is a second order reaction. आणि ह्या रिएक्शन्स मध्ये दोन मॉलिक्युल्स आहेत म्हणून बायमॉलिक्युलर. जर तीन मॉलिक्युल्स असले असते तर ट्रायमॉलिक्युलर, चार असले असते तर टेट्रा, एकच असला असता तर युनिमॉलिक्युलर. पण इथं दोन आहेत म्हणून हा बायमॉलिक्युलर आहे. आणि रेट ऑफ रिॲक्शन्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ऑफ बोथ. सो इट इज अ सेकंड ऑर्डर रिॲक्शन्स. ओके, वी आर गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Okay, next part, that is rate determining step. Rate, second point, first is example, rate determining step. Rate determining step. In any reactions there are many steps, but the some step which are very slowly happened, and these steps will determine the rate of reaction. So it is called as an rate determining steps. रिॲक्शन्स मध्ये काही स्टेप्स असतात, त्या स्टेप्स फास्ट असतात तर काही स्टेप्स स्लो असतात, आणि त्या स्टेप्समुळे आपल्याला ओव्हरऑल रिॲक्शनचं मेकॅनिझम किंवा रेट कळतो. त्यामुळे त्या स्टेप्सला आपण रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप्स म्हणायचं आहे. तर सी हिअर मी पुन्हा एकदा एक्झाम्पल्स लिहिते. दॅट इज CH3Br plus NaOH or OH, that is OH minus, it will be formed CH3OH plus Br minus. Here many steps are a fast, but there are some steps which is a slow steps, and this is the rate determining steps. In these reactions there are two steps, that is both molecules comes in the rate determining step. That is, see here how the rate determining steps will be takes place. This is CH, and this is the Br. OH minus will be comes, and this will be attack on the carbon from the backside. That will be discussed in the stereochemistry. See here, slowly this Br minus gone, and slowly this OH minus will be incoming group OH, H, and Br is completely broken, and CH3 OH. That is here, this step is a slow step, and which is a slow step, that is called as an rate determining step, because slow steps can decide overall the rate of reactions. Slow steps here so much important. It is also in part first, that is slow step of the reactions determine the rate of reaction. So it is called as an rate determining step, and that is known as an rate determining step. तर ह्या रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप्स मध्ये तुम्हाला एवढंच लिहायचं आहे. इन रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप बोथ molecules will become, that is CH3Br and OH minus to form CH3OH. Next step or next part of this point, that is third point, is what? Mechanism. See the mechanism of reactions, how the mechanisms will be start. Here the carbon, you know that we are drawn the formula of the carbon is, sorry, methane, in 11th standard in this way. One is a wedge shaped and one is a dotted shaped. This Br is attached in this way. OH minus will be comes from the backside. Why it is come backside? Later we see. See here. This is the rate determining steps we'll now consider. C H. This is wedge shaped. That is one is a, you know, carbon is a tetrahedral, methane molecule is a tetrahedral in structures. Carbon's valence is a 4. That is one bond is a present on the plane of the paper. One bond is present behind the plane of paper. One bond is coming out of the plane, and this Br minus is slowly start to going. This nucleophile, first nucleophile is a going or living group, and at the same time, whenever this bond will be start to break down, at the same time the OH minus will be incoming. The living group, and one is a incoming group. The CBr bond is a partially broken. At the same time COH is a partially occurred, and lastly or finally this Br bond is gone. Br minus Br is gone with taking the bond, and this carbon is attached now to the four groups in this way. That is this hydrogen comes to this side, this hydrogen as it is, and now OH will become, this hydrogens comes to this side, hydrogen as it is, and this OH will be take position of this side. This is a, there will be formations of this CH3OH. See here, once more I will tell you mechanism, that is this, this is the CH3Br, but I have to written in a tetrahedral geometry. One bond is come on the plane, second bond is coming out of the plane, and one bond is behind the plane. Two bonds are on the plane of the paper. This OH minus nucleophile start to attack me. Rate determining step, that is it is a slow step. The one nucleophile starts to leave the this methyl groups. At the same time, this newly OH minus will be start to come, that is it start to attack on the carbon. The Br minus will be now partially start to break down. This partially break bond formations will be starts. Now this Br minus gone, this H will be comes to this side, that is these are arranged up neatly, and this OH, तर कार्बनचा शेप हा असा असणार आहे, हे पहा. तर हा suppose, suppose it is a carbon, this is the first bond, these two bonds are on the plane of paper, this is bond will become outside the plane, and this bond is a behind the plane of paper, this bond is a behind the plane of paper. This is the geometry of carbon. This Br minus will be gone, and this OH is on the, that is it can take place attack from the back side. Here the negative charge is shared by both group, that is leaving Br minus group and incoming OH minus nucleophile. Negative charge is shared by both nucleophile, that is leaving Br minus nucleophile and so OH minus nucleophile. The breaking of CBr bond and making of COH, both steps are simultaneous, that is breaking, see here, breaking on CBr and making of COH, both bond, this both process takes place simultaneously. Next one, that is negative charge. Negative, what's the main point from the mechanism, that is negative charge is shared by both. नेगेटिव्ह चार्ज कोण कोण शेअर करतोय, लिव्हिंग Br आणि इनकमिंग OH, that is out going Br and incoming OH minus group. Thus, where the negative charge is shared by both, that is group outgoing group and incoming group, that is called as an, this state is known as an transition state. Here in this state, the carbon or this compound, this carbon is unstable, because here negative charge is shared by outgoing Br and incoming OH minus. This is called as a transition state, that is it is a highest energy state, it is a highest energy state. Here the bond breaking and bond making, both process can be takes place simultaneously. Here the carbon does not obey the octet rule. Here the carbon does not obey octet rule. It is all about the mechanism. So once more I will take the revision. Here mechanism, you have to draw like this diagrams, that is it is a CH3, but I have to write this CH3 in tetrahedral geometry. See here, this is OH minus can be attack from the back side. Br minus, this CBr start to break down this Br, and this will be partially formed, this also partially break down, and Br minus will be gone and OH minus will be, COH bond will be completely formed when the CBr completely broken. Breaking of CBr and making of COH bond is simultaneously. Negative charge shared by both incoming nucleophile and outgoing nucleophile. This state is unstable, or it is also called as a transition state. It is a highest energy state. It is highest energy state. Here carbon does not obey the octet rule. Here carbon does not obey the octet rule.
Here attack can take place from backside. The configuration of product is inversion, and that configuration is called Walden inversion.